Setting up SKU components in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to define the bill of materials for a finished SKU so every packaging run pulls the right materials from inventory automatically. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, SKU Components from your dashboard. This is where you define what actually goes into a finished SKU. The can, the lid, the label, the carrier, the case, whatever physically makes up that package. Getting this right is what lets packaging runs pull the correct materials from inventory automatically. Click a SKU, then Add Component. Pick the material from your inventory and enter the quantity used per unit, 1 can and 1 lid per unit, 1 label per unit, 1 carrier per 6 units. Save each component, and they build up into the full bill of materials for that SKU. Once this is set up, every packaging run against that SKU automatically deducts the right materials at the right quantities. No manual inventory adjustments needed. If your packaging changes, like switching label suppliers or carrier size, come back here and update the component instead of touching every past run.